As part of India's G20 presidency, the G20 Health Ministers meeting formally began today. Government has taken decision to make biometric verification of mobile SIM card dealers mandatory and discontinue the bulk connection mechanism. Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath and Union Minister for Youth Affairs and Sports Anurag Singh Thakur today jointly inaugurated the Youth 20 Summit 2023 at Rudraksh International Cooperation and Convention Center at Varanasi. Minister of State for Atomic Energy and Space Dr. Jitendra Singh has said that the exclusive findings and inputs of Chandrayaan 3 will benefit the entire world community. Union Health Minister Mansukh Mandavia has expressed hope that with collective efforts and determination, TB can be eliminated from the world by 2030.